What is up, you guys? It's your girl Sarah G here.
Anna G.
Ashley's S.
It's okay, she's trying. She's trying.
Special guest, Ashley Smith.
And we're here to watch BTS Airplane Part 2.
Love yourself.
Here we go.
Yeah, I'm wearing a BTS sweater.
All right. Oh, is that? Yeah.
Fireflies and you're having fun. Hi. Oh.
All right, guys. Well,
I legit cried, which I was not expecting to cry. I was not expecting that. Like,
hey guys, I just like.
No, Jungkook.
Okay, yeah, Jungkook is really growing on me.
I'm glad. No, he's mine. Back off. But
V, it's all about V.
No, Jungkook. All of them.
I was just smiling the whole time. So
You weren't crying?
No.
Okay, but seriously, Jungkook, like, his like little smirks. You're
I
just
know.
like, what even?
He's so good looking.
It makes me so sad.
Me too.
I'm
Because
like,
Lauren, I'm like never gonna.
am I ever gonna meet them?
No.
Am I ever gonna meet someone like him?
No.
Probably not.
Maybe if I go to Korea.
Yeah.
Even then.
No.
Korea 2020.
Are they gonna be into Mexicans? Like,
Do they speak Spanish?
I know how to write Jungkook in Korean. That's a start.
I could sing Korean. I probably pronounce everything wrong, to be honest.
They're so good looking and like talented, and I just want one of them. And I'm never gonna have one of them. Well, that was great. BTS, you keep doing your thing. I love you. B.
Jungkook.
Alright, you guys. Well, I hope you liked this video and give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe.